Happy day, beautiful people, especially to my ladies. If you are in the cargo van business and you are looking for local work, I would suggest that you get into auto parts wholesale. I'm not talking about running auto parts for AutoZone or none of that. I'm talking about going to your dealerships, going to talk to the parts manager at these dealerships, and letting them know that you are local, you have a cargo van, and you would love to be a part of their team. I would suggest that you also have your business cards, look professional, and they'll let you know if they need you or if they can use you. Let them know that you're interested in you're an independent contractor and you're interested in becoming a part of their team to get their auto parts across around the area, whatever area you in. So if I was to go in there, I would say I would give them my name. I would say the name of my business. I will also have my business card. I will also have some type of pamphlet that I have created, and you can create these on Canva. Some type of pamphlet just detailing your business, the things that you can do, things of that nature. Just be very professional. Have you on a dry fit or a polo or something with your logo, with your business name, some khaki, something looking presentable, because that's the number one thing we're doing wholesale auto parts. They want you to look presentable. They want you to represent their company, how they will represent their company, and they want you to be able to get the job done. But I would definitely go to the parts department, ask to speak to the parts manager, and talk to the parts manager. Now, when it comes to negotiating your rates, how much your company will charge, y'all gonna have to take my class for that. But that's just what I would do. I would definitely go to these wholesale dealers. A lot of these dealerships, Nissan, Kia, BMW, Lexus, Range Rover, a lot of these dealerships, they sell wholesale auto parts. And in the wholesale auto part industry, you're pretty much going to collision centers. Some of them might have you going to mom and pop shops, but mostly you're going to like collision centers, body shops, things of that nature. No, you're not transporting transmissions. No, you're not transporting motors. No, you're not transporting, anything that's messy, oily, that's gonna mess your van up. The biggest thing you'll probably transport is a side panel, or maybe a hood or a door. But these things are padded, ladies.